Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have any of the following three vehicles, guys: Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram Promaster, guys, with a 2.4 Multiair engine, and you're guys having problems with your throttle body, you have a code related to the throttle body, or let's say the car doesn't idle right, it idles a little bit high or rough, it could be due to a dirty throttle body, guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to remove and replace it. If that doesn't fix the problem and you have a rough idle, guys, we'll have a special video that will explain every possible reason for a rough idle on that engine. Now, stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. We'll need to remove the throttle body in order to clean it. You do not have to remove your engine, guys. Why we have that engine out? Because we will have more than 100 videos on that engine alone, guys. We want to show you with great detail how to do pretty much almost anything on it. And we can show you where every bolt is located, how to remove and replace every item on that engine. So we do, guys, all that work here at the shop to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go ahead, start on it and explain what needs to be done. So when you open the hood of your vehicle, guys, okay, you're going to face the engine this way. Right here you're going to have the air filter box. You need to disconnect that hose from the air filter box, and here that clamp, you just get it loose with a screwdriver and pull that hose out. Next, grab your engine cover, pull it up, just like that. After now guys, 10mm bolt right here, and we remove that bolt for the intake pipe here. Here we're supposed to have a clip. That clip looks just like this one, but you can see ours is broken. So all you have to do is just get a clip removal tool, but you go here and pry it up. Okay, let's show you what else we need to do next. Right here, guys, we need to disconnect the intake temperature sensor and the clamp for the throttle body, okay, on the bottom. So we just get it loose. Perfect. Disconnect the intake temperature sensor and you can pull that thing out, straight out. Okay, just like that. Now we need to, guys, get a 10mm wrench. Ratcheting wrench is super convenient, and right here you have, guys, two nuts that you need to remove. Once you get those things loose, guys, okay, they go by hand pretty easy, usually, unless you have rust or something like that. Perfect. And you have one more on this side. We just dropped one. Perfect, like that. Now, what else we need to do, guys? We need to come, okay, let me just come on this side now. Okay, we have a 13mm, guys, okay, 13mm bolt for that support here that we need to remove. Okay, this is it. 10mm nut here that we'll need to remove. Okay, great. And we can grab that thing and pull it out. Okay, now 10mm. We're going to remove two bolts here. Before we continue, let me disconnect the wire so it's ready. Right here, guys. Okay, all you're going to do, push that red thing out. Now press right here, press down, pull it out. We have two more bolts with Torx 30 star looking bit. Let me show you quick that we need to remove. Perfect. You have to be extremely careful not to drop anything inside your engine, because otherwise you have to remove the intake. Okay, the intake manifold, guys, to get it out. Or what's going to happen, guys, if you don't get it out, it will get actually it will get in the valves, pistons, and you may end up needing a new engine. And we got the throttle body out. Okay, guys, we actually cleaned ours not too long ago, about 15-20,000 miles. We still have a little bit of build-up here on the edges, but it's not too bad at all, guys. But if yours hasn't been removed and you have like probably 100,000 miles, it will be bad. We just had to remove the intake manifold, and when we remove it, we clean it. We always do. It improves the performance of the car, guys, decreases gas mileage, all that stuff. check it out. This is what we use: throttle body and air intake cleaner. And when we clean our body, usually guys, we clean our mass airflow sensor too. You can see how it says that you gain horsepower because the car will be performing better. So what you guys usually do, you want to wear eye protection and gloves, guys, and you're going to go ahead and spray, okay, a little bit, and you're going to start wiping it. Okay, just make sure you wipe it good. Wipe around the gasket too. You want to, guys, open that valve. Okay, keep it open. It's really strong spring, guys, and you want to clean the edges of that as well, and then where it contacts and everything. But you clean that until you're done, guys. It may be really bad depending when yours was removed, when it was cleaned, especially if you drive city cycles, guys, mostly short distance. I guarantee that it will be black on the inside. Highway miles, it will be a little bit different because the engine works cleaner. Okay, the PCV valve works better. You have less buildup in the engine, carbon buildup. So that's it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.